Hey y'all, this is Q, and I will be introducing my hubby today.
Oh my god.
He will be joining me on my channel today for my day. This is Q Day. That's Chris. So our husbands will be joining our channel from time to time, you know, to join us for like talks, vlogs, any outings. So, you know, this is my day. He has a show, so we're gonna go, and you know, I'm gonna get a little bit of that footage for you guys. So we're finna drive, and it's dark, so I can't keep doing this because you're not gonna be able to see us. So I'm gonna come back in a little bit.
Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya.
Yo, make some noise for my man Skywalker.
Hey man, don't leave no more fake money over here, man. For motion picture purposes only. Validation Curtain Club, what's good? This is yours truly, the Skywalker. Follow me on every social network at Skywalker. You know what I'm talking about? Let's just go. I'm gonna straight up rap for y'all. Let's go.
Crank that old motherfucker up and show me how it runs.
You gotta crank that old bitch up sometimes. OG, big dog, nigga, Scooby-Doo. Old Cliff, nigga, kick it like the Juventus. Luke Kane, Lucy Lou, this for you and you. These nigga Rudy Poo, I chill like my cooler do. The big kahuna in the loop like a hula hoop. Big tuna, King Cooper on the Oompa Loompas. I'm smoking super tap thin, Sammy Davis Jr. Contrary to the rumor, still smelling like petunias. Retro pack, Ewing's pulling up on Zal Judas. Cadillac maneuvers, act a fool about my damn chalupas. They talking dukas till the nigga pull up with bazookas. Toast the strudel, shit, noodles to a barracuda. From the ruler to the tutor, squash that Chattanooga. All this Gouda got me fat and happy, call me Buddha. I'm in my prime, snag a college girl and bag of cougars. This is swag palooza, trying to ball like Mansa Musa. Hot tub with your girl, told her pass the loofah. She blow me low like tubas, she hotter than Bermuda. Mona Lisa with the features, maybe Mogadishu. Tennessee, walk a quarter horse or maybe Appaloosa. I beat your ass, ain't no need for me to have a shoe. Thinking about time that I just on my crime. I done lay back in the cut, I done sat back in the bus. I done rode Cadillac trucks, I done rode back-to-back blunts. I done pulled back-to-back stunts, I done jumped clean for a bun. I done put lean on the blunt, I done put beam on the pump. I done put beam on the beam, I done jumped clean on the clean. Niggas ain't see what I see, so you don't know what I saw. Look how I kicking it raw. I came through like a boss. This is original sauce. This is original sauce. I'ma do it like this. Ow, ow. Bitch, I created the song. Check me out. I double down like two flats. Paint the Cadillac blue black. I'm the CASHSKYWALKER bees knees. The flow cold by 3 degrees. She like cash, keep turned up to heat. She tryna make up like a face speed. Marshall long like a goose snag. Your girl gave me that loose snag. Gonna get me, it's a lose-lose. I'll be with my dog like Blue's Clues. I ain't gon' copy and copy. The nigga be sloppy. They think they saucy, no. That ain't sauce, that's sloppy Joe. I dunk your whole like run. Roll up and I burn one. Pay attention, might learn some. They can't go sit with a boss. She gave the gang brain by the sessions. Thank the South for our blessings. I give respect to my our Mexicans. Double cup, fish, watch my brothers. Flipping more than the kind of levels. Season salad with the extra lettuce. See, mama, that's a fetish. You don't want a man, that's a smack of belly. Bust a nut on the back of belly. I went to sleep in that pussy. I went to work in pajamas. Stay on my toe like a salad. But you can look broke like a hammer. But I said, look like a pebble. Cause I was there all of my friends. I done got high, I can hold and see. Cadillac look like a OBG. Yeah. I got that season like emerald. Everything green like an emerald. Surplus of sauce when it's pitiful. Now I don't love it, it's physical. You can send it original. And the condition is critical. Now I don't want it in intervals. I need it plus all my residuals. And I'm not messing, I'm blasting. Numbers don't lie like a digital. All of my hands look beautiful. I drip like I like you a swimming pool. I come on through like an interlude. I'ma be with you in a tube. I'ma walk through like Lolo Daddy. Paint the leg blue, that's a Golo Daddy. Hollywood, that's gas. No nigga, I pass. All smoke, no trash. I'm the one with the heat. Y'all let the beast off the leash. I'm with your girl and I see. Rich my dick off of the sea. Yeah, nigga, rinse and repeat. Before you get home, should be washing the sheets. I brought the sauce to my stay, yo. American Icon 2.
Hey y'all, we are back. He copied off me. Had a great show. We had fun. Enjoyed a few more acts. Y'all will see a little bit of that.
Everybody waiting on us to get out this part.
Yeah, they waiting on us, but we vlogging. We doing our thing. You know what I'm saying? We was thinking about going to get something to eat, but we tired and it's kind of late, so we probably finna head to the house. Baby, want to say something?
Thank you. Thanks for watching.
I hate him, y'all.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yes.
Same name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight.